Hey guys, it's just going to be a quick video for today. So as you know, we're packing up and moving over to Australia, and all the stuff's packed, ready to go. I got one last piece that I bought. I couldn't resist. I bought a set of Fox Podium forks, and I bought these last minute, and these are going to go on my Santa Cruz Vala. I've got two Santa Cruz Valas boxed up, ready to go. My Fox Podiums. Unfortunately, it's going to be like 3 months before I can get these forks hooked up on the bike and ready to go, only because of how long it takes to ship everything over there. But just want to show you these forks real quick. I'm not going to take them all the way out of the box, but a lot of people, when they buy the Fox Podiums, or they're thinking about buying the Podiums, there's the problem with the axle. Not necessarily a problem, but the Fox Podiums have a 20 millimeter axle requirement, whereas most of your mountain bikes have a 15 millimeter axle. So you've either got to get a new wheel set, or you've got to get a new hub or something to accommodate the 20 millimeter requirement on your axle for these forks. What I'm going to try is, I've got an axle adapter. So this is a 20 millimeter to 15 millimeter adapter. And I'll put a link to this in the description. There it is up close, you can see it. And this is specifically designed for the Fox Podium forks. It's got this little bushing here that you mount on the fork, and then you slide this piece through your wheel and you tighten it all up. And basically that's it. I don't know if you can see the part number or not. Anyway, I'll put all this in the description, but I'm gonna try it. This is supposed to be made in Germany. And the claim with this is that it's stronger than the 20 millimeter axle that comes with the Podium. So I don't know how they make that claim. They say they've done a ton of research, and I don't know, we'll see. But that's what I'm gonna do with these forks. But let me show you these forks real quick. Don't want that to roll away. Let me just grab you and I'll take you down here. So this is what you get when you buy some of these. I don't know if you can see that. How's that? So this is how they come. Again, I haven't even taken these out. Fox Podiums. I can't wait to get these on the bike. How cool. Yeah. So anyway, in about 3 months, like I said, I'll get these mounted up and I'll give you guys a rundown on these forks. And yeah, I can't wait. It's going to be cool. But that's my Fox Podiums, and that's my solution for the axle. We'll see what happens. Any questions, let me know. Again, I'm going to put the link to this in the description. You can see the part number there. And that's it. So hopefully you guys like what you see here and are motivated to see these forks on a Santa Cruz Vala. Take it easy, guys.